So I found these Halloween ceramic ornaments from the Dollar Tree, and I started by taking 3 of them, and I'm going to remove the top hanger from the head of Frankenstein, and then using some Wise Owl white primer, I gave 3 of the ceramic ornaments 1 coat of the primer. Once that was dry, I just took some Antique Villa from Wise Owl paint, and I painted 3 of the Frankensteins. I know I have several of the Frankenstein ornaments here, but for time purpose, I'm just going to be using 3 of them in this video. And then I allowed those to fully dry. Once they were dry, we took some Wise Owl black paint, and we just painted over the entire Frankenstein. Once he was fully covered, we took a baby wipe, and while the paint was still wet, you were just going to rub off the black paint. And as you rub, you can see how the black paint settles inside all of the crevices and detail of the Frankenstein. And I repeated this step on 3 of the Frankenstein ornaments. So again, you're just going to fully cover your ornament with the black Wise Owl paint. And once it was fully covered and still wet, you're going to take a baby wipe. This is just what we have on hand. And you're going to wipe off the black paint. And as you wipe over the piece, you're going to see how the black settles inside all of the crevices in detail. And that's where we like to leave the paint heavy. And once those were dry, I just took some Mandarina from Wise Owl paint and a small art brush, and I just covered the pumpkin with a very light coat of the Mandarina. And then I took the 3 Frankenstein and I placed them with their backs to each other. And using some E6000, I placed it on top of their head. And then I took this glass and I sat it on top of the E6000. And I allowed that to dry for 24 hours. And now you have a candy holder that you can just fill with your favorite candy. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials on our YouTube or our webpage. Have a great day.